Emma, what is it?
Fishy.
The fishy. Good
My
job.
My fishy.
Your fishy?
Yeah.
What's that?
My fishy.
What is this?
My fishy.
No, what's this?
Leche coffee.
Leche. It's milk.
Milk.
Yeah, good job. What's that? What's that, Emma?
The car.
The car. Good job. High five, girl. Woohoo! What's that?
And the baby.
The baby. Good job. What is that?
And the apple.
Apple. Good job, Emma. What's that?
The pizza.
Pizza. Woohoo! You got it. What's that?
Puppy.
The puppy? The dog?
The puppy.
The dog, the puppy? What is that?
Banana.
Banana. You like bananas?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are they?
And the star.
What are they?
And the star. Moon sock.
The socks?
The sock.
Good job. What's that?
They have color.
He has a color? Good job. What is it?
It's a nose.
It's a nose? Where's your nose?
My nose.
Right there. Good job. You found it. High five. Woohoo. What's she playing with?
The ball.
The ball. Good job, Emma. What is that?
It's a tree.
The tree. Good job. What are they?
The star.
The stars? Where are the stars?
The
Good job. What's that?
moon.
The moon.
The moon star. Moon.
The moon and the stars? Good job. You're silly. What's that?
And the moon river.
The spoon. Good job. What's he reading? Emma? Honey, what's he reading?
She's reading a book.
Good book. Good job. What is that?
Huevito.
Huevito. Egg?
Egg.
Good job. What's that? What's she in? What is she in? What is she in? What's that?
Box.
Box. Good job. What is that? What is it? What is it?
A box.
What is it?
It's raining.
It's raining. What is that?
Bed.
Bed. Good job. What's that?
It's a code.
It's cold? It's snow.
Snow or spring.
Yeah, good job. What's that?
And a cow.
Cat.
Cat.
Not a cow, a cat.
Cow. Cat.
It's a cow cat?
Yeah.
What is that?
And the window.
A window. What else?
A window. Moon. Star.
No, what else?
House.
House. Good job. What's that?
The second best. And the feet. The toes.
The toes. Good job, Emma. Go, go, go. Good job. What is that?
The computer.
Computer. Good job. High five, baby. You did it. Good job. What's that?
The sun.
The sun. Good job, baby. You're so smart. What's that? What's she have on her head?
Her cat.
Hat.
Cat.
Hat.
Cat.
Okay. Good job, Emma. You did it. Say bye-bye.